Hello everyone, I am Dr. Eric Morrison. This is 7 out of 3, and I'll be covering trading education using the TC2000 and TradingView platforms. Hello, this is the Futures Week in Review, and I'm going to start off with the Aussie dollar. And as you can see here, we have a new commitment of traders at the end of Friday. Basically, it prints out a new commitment of traders report. And from that CFTC feed, we get where institutional retail traders are loaded, either whether they're loaded short in this case or loaded long. And so for the Australian dollar, we did have an overall trend trade here on Monday, all the way down with the FTM in agreement below the dragon. It's an overall gain on Tuesday with a loss on Wednesday of $405. British pound, overall trade of $362. Canadian dollar, overall gain of $585 with a little give back on Thursday. Euro, overall gain of $50 on Japanese yen, overall loss of $362. Brazilian real, overall gain of $205. Mexican peso, overall gain of $168. Zealand dollar, overall gain of $730. Swiss franc, overall gain of $562. South African rand, overall loss, especially on this day, of $187. Cocoa, overall loss of $550. Crude had a wonderful week this week with an overall gain of $2,140 on one contract. With a give back of $510 on Friday, overall total is $1,630. Cotton, overall loss of $365. Dollar, a nice catch here, but we went ahead and continued with this overall crowded trade and broke out at break even. ESE mini, overall gain for the week. The shorts, with one little give back here of $2,512 gain. Gold, nice overall gain to the downside of $2,060 and still crowded out short for next week. Feeder cattle, nice overall gain on this overall downtrend of $512. Lean hogs, nice gain on this overall short, and then wonderful gain on this crowded trade to the long side for a total of $930 for the week. Copper, nice overall downtrend with a give back on Friday of $1,412. Heating oil, superb trade for the entire week. Below the dragon, started on Monday and didn't end until Friday. Overall gain of $14,120. Wonderful trade for heating oil. Coffee, overall gain of $262. Hard red wheat, overall loss of $1,325. Live cattle, overall gain of $1,000. Natural gas, wonderful long trend trade here to the upside, $3,550. NASDAQ E-mini, overall loss of $4,200 with this overall consolidation here. Trying to figure out what direction it wants to go. Currently, it is break even on commercials and break even on institutional retail. I haven't seen that before. So right now there's a lot of indecision on where the NASDAQ is going to be going. Currently it is going to the upside, and we don't have an established trend yet. Orange juice with these wonderful gains to the upside, $2,900. Palladium, overall gains to the downside on this overall short of $3,310. Platinum, overall gains to the downside on the short with $1,940. Gasoline, also nice short overall of $554. Russell, nice overall gains on this downtrend at $3,590. Sugar, overall gain of $940. And silver, nice overall gain of $4,610 to the downside. 10-year, nice overall gain of $488. Ultra bond, gain of $2,750. VIX with this overall uptrend started with some nice gains and a give back here. No further trades the rest of the week. It's hard to trade the VIX. However, we got a gain of $1,324 out of this overall surge up. Dow, overall gain on these shorts of $2,685. T-bond, overall gain of $2,000 on this downtrend. Corn, overall loss of $787 on this uptrend. Pretty sporadic so far. Overall downtrend, gain on the 5-year, $31. Basically one tick. This overall give back on Wednesday. Soybean oil, overall gain of $504. Soybean meal, overall gain on the shorts of $470. 10-year, overall gain on the short of $265. Soybean, pretty much consolidated throughout with a loss of $412. And the same with wheat, overall loss here of $1,362. So overall retracement to the upside. So the overall gains for the week was over 49K trading these strategies here. And there are two strategies that I look at. One of them is the crowding out or commitment of traders, which marks the turn, and then I utilize the overall trend trading approach for the charts that you see up here. And we had basically the biggest gains on Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, with the drawdown on Friday. Well, folks, that's all I have for the Futures Week in Review. So if you're interested in these strategies going forward, or programming in both PineScript or Python and auto trading, click on the links below. And remember, ruthless risk management. Have a great weekend, everybody, and I'll see you on Sunday. Well, if you like this video, hit the like rumble button below and the subscribe button. And if you want more information, click the course information links below. On the TradingView link and on TC2000, I have an affiliate link. If you open up a TC2000 account, you will receive a $25 discount using that link. Thank you for your time.